Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'm going to be doing a foot peel mask, and I'm going to show you guys literally 7 days of peeling from start to finish. So as you guys can see, it got real with my feet, you guys. But if you guys are interested to see how my feet got to this point, definitely stay tuned. Definitely keep on watching. This is the foot peel that I'll be using. This is the aloe vera tea tree exfoliating foot mask, you guys. Let me tell you, the shelf life on this is amazing, you guys. I've had it since the pandemic. But anyways, these are my feet. I tried to show you guys a close-up of how everything looked. Your girl was struggling a little bit, but as you guys can see, my feet are quite crusty. But anyway, so I'm opening this up. I'm taking out the mask. They come connected, you guys. They come just like this. It's fully connected, so you do have to use a scissors to cut it in half, and also to cut the top portion so that you can insert your foot. So I used my scissors to cut the top portion of the mask, and I'm just gonna put my foot in, you guys. So once my foot is in, it felt normal. It felt like water on my feet, or like a jelly type substance on my feet. So then I'm gonna take a scrunchie and I'm just gonna put it around my ankles just to secure it real good. So the directions did say for me to massage the substance into my feet. So that is what I am doing here, you guys. So I massaged it really well. And then I actually left these on my feet for about 90 minutes. I did add socks, and I also added my little house shoes on top of it just to make sure everything was nice and secure. And yeah, guys, I just chilled out for about 90 minutes, so for an hour and a half. So now I am taking it off, you guys. It's been 90 minutes, and I wanted to just show you guys how it looks. It didn't feel anyway when I had it on. It didn't tingle or anything like that. It just felt like I had a wet substance on my foot. So this is how my feet look after the 90 minutes. So after I took off my socks, there was still obviously residue of the mask on my feet. So the instructions said for me to massage it in. So I did that, and then I put on my socks, and that was it. I went to bed. I slept with the socks all night. Slept with these on all night, and all I did was walk my dog today. I walked her for maybe like 10 minutes, and I will say when I was walking her, my feet did feel a little itchy, not severely itchy, but on a scale of 1 to 10 it was at like a 3 or 4. But let's see, this is after the next morning. So this is how my feet currently look. You guys can see like a lot of the roughness, you know. This was there before though. So yeah, this is how my feet look. Nothing spectacular. I'm going to take my first shower now. I won't be scrubbing my feet when I take the shower. I'm just going to go down to here with the rag and then just let the water flow on this part, just so that I don't irritate it or disturb it too much. But yeah, y'all, this is the feet. This is how we look this morning. Let's see the next one. Let me see. This is the second one. Okay. That's how we look. All right, y'all, so this is technically still the night of day 1 because I just got out the shower, and look, there's already some peeling going on. Let me back up a little bit. So there's definitely some peeling already going on, you guys. Peeling on my big toe, my little toe, and then I feel like my feet, they're just drier than normal. The other foot, it's given dry. Okay, it's given dry, it's given crusty, and it is peeling up here, so I'm excited about that. And then my toes, they seem to be normal. Oh, there's a little peeling going on here. Let me back it up. A little peeling going on here between my toes. So this is working quite fast, you guys. I did not add any type of lotions or anything. To be honest, this foot peel, it didn't come with any instructions for aftercare, so I'm gonna look some stuff up now to see if putting lotion on my feet will be all right. But y'all, my feet have been dry and in socks since I did the peel last night. So yep, this is the update for my feet. All right guys, so this is the morning of day 2. So just dry, nothing crazy going on. This is my other foot, just minor peeling. All right, y'all, so it's day 2 still. This is just in the evening. Y'all look at this. Look at this. Starting to peel. I decided to do a little peekaboo and I was in for a surprise. I'm not gonna peel it or anything like that. Let's see the other foot. Wow, look at that. Look at that, y'all. Now that is crazy. Wow, look at this. So I haven't used like any lotions or anything like that. Look at that, all of that dry stuff. Well, look at that. Haven't used any lotions because I've read that lotions can stop the process of peeling. They said if my skin gets too dry, I can use like an oil-free moisturizer, but I've just been letting my skin do what it do. And I'm surprised that, you know, it's just day 2 of peeling, or the second day after using the exfoliating foot peel, and I've already seen such great results. So let's go up close. Let's see. Wow, look at that. Look at that. The parts that have peeled do feel quite soft. But yeah, I'm just gonna continue to wear my socks and see how it goes. All right, y'all, so I just got out the shower. This is still day 2, and this is on the feet. Let me show you the other one. I don't think it's fully ready yet to be peeled. So I'm gonna put my socks on, and maybe tomorrow, we'll see. Okay, so this is day 3. I don't think it's ready to be peeled yet. And if I'm being 100% honest, I have not soaked my feet. I legit just take my showers twice a day and then put my socks back on, and that's it. I forgot to tell y'all, but the top part, because you know that did get some of the exfoliating jelly or whatever they had in the mask, it is just very dry and itchy. I haven't used any lotions or anything like that, and I feel like that has helped a lot with just how quickly my skin is peeling. So I'm still on day 3. This is my right foot. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Y'all, look at the sock. Oh my goodness. All right. So this is how we're looking. So this one has, I think, come a little bit further along than the left foot. But that's how we looking, y'all. I still don't think it's ready to be completely peeled yet. Look how soft this part of my foot looks. Wow. I don't think it's ready. It's not ready yet, so I'm just gonna put the sock back on. As I mentioned, I have not soaked my feet. I take 2 showers a day, and that's the only water my feet sees. And the peeling process is coming along quite nicely because this is just day 3, and look at what we've got already. So I'm just gonna put my sock back on. I'm not peeling it yet. All right, y'all, so it's technically still day 3. It's the night of, and y'all, I was just about to take my shower and I just felt something like poking me. So I just took a little peekaboo, you guys, and look, I think the time has come. I think it'll continue to peel over the next few days, but look, you guys, like, look at all this. All of this stuff. I feel like a snake, really and truly. Look at that, y'all. So it came off by itself pretty much. Look at all this dead skin. Hold on, let me try to do this. Look at that. Yo, that is gross. So this is what's all in my sock. All this stuff, all this dead skin. Look at all this stuff in my sock. This side, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, this side of my foot is so freaking itchy. Look at this. Look at my sock. But this side of my foot, you guys, is so freaking itchy. It's legit crazy how itchy it is. It's peeling as well. I'm gonna still allow it to do most of the peeling by itself because I don't really want to injure my skin. But this side of my foot feels so soft. There's still some peeling that's left to go from here, like the rough parts of my skin. I know this is gonna peel as well, so I'm still gonna update you guys, but all of this has peeled and it's so smooth. So smooth between my toes. This is peeling a little bit up here. So let's do the other foot. Okay. Ooh, this one's just as bad too. Look at this. Oh, this one's still attached, y'all. Let's see. Only 3 days, you guys, and these are the results. Look at this. I feel like a snake at this point. Look at my sock. This is disturbing and quite disgusting, you guys. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna put this to the side. And this is still trying to peel. I'm excited for this to peel because this is like the rougher parts of my skin. So this still has to peel on my toes. Let me see. So I think I want to peel this up. Y'all, this feels like new skin. It feels so new. I'm not gonna peel too much just so that it's not like unbearable. This is like my toes and stuff. I'm just gonna take off this part. Peel this part off. I don't do too much because I don't want to hurt myself. Honestly feel like I should have gotten a scissors and just cut this off, but I don't want to peel off the areas that aren't ready yet. So this is pretty much the culprit, you guys. Ooh, so much dead skin. There's so much dead skin, you guys. That's how it looks up close. Try to focus in on it. This is how it looks. Honestly feels like tape. Doesn't even feel like it was a part of my skin. It feels like paper. Yeah, it feels like paper, you guys. Almost like tape. Alright, y'all, so it is day 4 and let's take a look at how my feet look. So as you guys can see, it's still peeling around here. I honestly think it's gonna be peeling for a little while, y'all. Let me see. This is getting a lot better. Like, this is starting to flake up a little bit. I don't think this area, because of how thick it is, I don't think it's gonna necessarily peel, but I do think it's gonna just like fall off. Ooh, see these feet, honey. Yes, honey, it's very much so giving crusty. Okay, it's giving crusty. Let's get this off. Yep, it's giving crusty. Yeah. Ooh, when I tell y'all I got some new feet up under this, honey. All right, ooh, peel a little bit. Ain't gonna peel too much. I want it to, you know, peel naturally and be ready to come off. And let's take a look at the other foot. So as you guys can see, most of this part has peeled. This little area is coming off. This foot peel works really well, and I'm waiting for the rest of this to come off. All right, guys, so this is the night of day 4, and I just want to show you guys the top portion of my foot, or should I say my feet. As you guys can see, it is peeling. Let me try to take some of these pieces off. So this whole entire part, it seems like it's just going to come right up. So as I said before, I'm not going to peel it all the way off. I'm just peeling the part that's coming up, that's visibly coming up. Hopefully by tomorrow, y'all, this will all be completed. All right, guys, so it is day 5 and I want to show you guys my feet. So as you guys can see, like around my ankles, it is peeling, very crusty. But you know, I can't do nothing about that. And this is, ooh, this is how the top portion of my feet look. So it is peeling. I think once I take my shower tonight, like all of this is gonna come off. And my skin, y'all, it feels so soft. Let me show you guys my other foot. Inside my sock is crazy, y'all. It's like literally just so much dead skin. Let's see if you guys can see all of that. Just so much dead skin. Look at this. That's definitely disgusting. I can't even lie. Definitely disgusting. But yeah, so this is the top portion of my feet. All of this section has peeled. All of this has peeled. I'm just waiting for this to finish peeling, this to finish peeling, and then also this part to finish. This is something that if you guys do, you definitely have to prepare for your feet to be peeling between 1 to 2 weeks, okay? This isn't something that's just super easy peasy. You have to prepare for it. Okay, guys, so this is day 6. As you guys can see, still some peeling going on around the ankles. Let me take off my sock. Look inside, you guys can see like so much dead skin cells. We're just dead skin, so it's peeling. It's continually peeling. I'm still quite ashy. Nothing new there. And then under here is getting a lot better. Almost done getting this off, so I'm very happy about that. Every day it gets better and better. At this rate, I'm thinking maybe the next 2 days. So yeah, definitely keep in mind, if you're trying to do a peel, you're gonna be out of commission, honey, for at least 2 weeks, okay? But yeah, this is day 6. I'll keep you guys posted for day 7. All right, guys, so I believe it is day 7. It is at nighttime right now, so my apologies for the lighting. This is all that's left to peel, you guys. This is like my ankles. As you guys can see, like everything else has peeled. It is nice and smooth. Same thing for this ankle over here. Like it's barely anything. It's still just super dry, but I believe like once I take my shower tonight, like this will be gone and like my feet will be good in the morning. All right, y'all, so these are my feet. It's about 2 days, I believe, after my feet completely peeled. So it took completely 7 days to peel, you guys, from start to finish. So if you guys decide to do something like that, definitely prepare for it. This is something that you're going to be doing literally for the entire week. So be prepared to wear sneakers and socks wherever it is that you want to go. But y'all, this did a phenomenal job at making sure that my feet look brand new. Like y'all, look at my feet. They just look so good to me, you guys. Just so good. Calluses aware, dry skin aware.